Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jason. What if the very first tea you choose to drink each morning decides whether your kidneys flush out toxins quickly and efficiently or slowly accumulate damage without you ever noticing a thing? Your kidneys work non-stop around the clock to clean your blood, remove waste, and keep your entire body in perfect balance, even while you sleep deeply through the night. But here's the problem that most people never consider. The majority of us wake up and drink whatever feels normal or convenient without ever realizing that some morning beverages can actually make kidney stress worse over time, not better. The honest truth is that the right tea consumed first thing in the morning can powerfully support your kidneys, help push toxins out of your system, reduce unnecessary strain, and support natural repair processes in a gentle, sustainable way. And this does not require expensive products, complicated routines, or hard to find ingredients. In this video, I am going to share the top 6 best morning teas you absolutely must drink to flush out toxins and support kidney repair fast. These teas are simple, easy to prepare, and backed by real, measurable benefits. Some of them are very common and familiar, but one tea on this list is often completely ignored, even though it can make a significant difference when used correctly. Let us break them down one by one so you know exactly which tea your kidneys need most. Number 1, green tea. Let us talk about green tea. While it is not technically an herbal tea, it absolutely deserves a spot on this list because of the powerful, well-researched benefits it provides for your kidneys and your overall health. Green tea is packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and environmental toxins. Oxidative stress slowly harms kidneys over time, and by reducing it, green tea helps your kidneys work more efficiently and stay healthier for longer. These antioxidants also support your liver and cardiovascular system, which work directly with the kidneys to process and remove toxins from your body. Even a simple cup of green tea quietly supports multiple organs and helps your body's natural detox work better. Green tea also has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can strain the kidneys and slow their ability to filter blood effectively. Drinking green tea regularly reduces inflammation, which eases pressure on the kidneys and supports natural repair processes. On top of that, it provides a gentle, steady caffeine boost without the jitters of coffee. This is perfect if you want to feel alert and focused while keeping your kidneys hydrated and functioning well. It is important to limit your intake to 1 or 2 cups per day because too much caffeine, even from tea, can dehydrate your body and add stress to your kidneys. Making green tea is quick and easy. Steep 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaves in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. You can adjust the time for a stronger or lighter flavor, but even a mild brew delivers valuable antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and kidney support. Add a slice of lemon or a bit of honey for extra benefit. Lemon improves taste, supports kidney function, and helps with hydration, while honey adds natural sweetness and more antioxidants. Drinking it in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach or 30 minutes before breakfast, helps your kidneys flush out overnight toxins and supports overall detox. For best results, pair green tea with healthy habits like staying hydrated, reducing salty processed foods, and rotating it with other kidney-friendly teas like hibiscus or dandelion root. Alternating teas throughout the week gives your kidneys a wide variety of nutrients and protective compounds. Over time, this simple, consistent habit can help protect kidney cells, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, support healthy blood pressure, and maintain urinary and cardiovascular health. Green tea may seem ordinary, but when used thoughtfully in your morning routine, it quietly works to strengthen, protect, and repair your kidneys while giving you a gentle, natural energy boost to start your day. Number 2, parsley tea. You might not realize it, but that tiny green garnish sitting on your plate, parsley, is actually a kidney powerhouse when brewed as tea. Parsley is far more than just a decoration. It has natural diuretic properties, meaning it helps your body release excess water and salts, which is exactly what your kidneys need to flush out toxins efficiently. If you often wake up feeling bloated or heavy, a cup of parsley tea in the morning can help reduce that water retention while gently supporting urinary tract health. Unlike some harsh diuretics that strip essential minerals from your body, parsley works in a natural, balanced way, giving your kidneys the boost they need without stressing them out. One of the key benefits of parsley tea is that it increases urine production. This helps your kidneys clear out waste faster while also preventing the buildup of harmful substances that can slow down kidney function over time. But parsley does not stop at being a simple diuretic. It is rich in antioxidants, which protect delicate kidney cells from oxidative stress caused by environmental toxins, processed foods, and even everyday metabolic processes. These antioxidants also support the body's natural detox systems, so your kidneys can work together with your liver to keep your blood clean and your body feeling lighter and healthier. Many traditional and folk medicine practices have used parsley for generations to maintain urinary health and support kidney function, and modern studies continue to show its effectiveness as a natural herbal remedy. Making parsley tea is incredibly simple and easy to incorporate into your morning routine. Take a handful of fresh parsley, about a small bunch, rinse it well, and steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the more potent the compounds become. But even a shorter steep releases enough nutrients and active ingredients to benefit your kidneys. The flavor is mild, fresh, and slightly grassy, which makes it pleasant to drink on its own or mixed with a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor and detox support. Lemon not only enhances taste but also helps balance fluids and support kidney function further, making it a perfect addition. For the best results, drink parsley tea in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach or at least 30 minutes before your first meal. This timing gives your kidneys a head start for the day, helping to flush out overnight waste and set a healthy rhythm for your body's detox system. You can also combine parsley tea with other healthy habits to maximize its effects. Drinking plenty of water, reducing salt intake, eating fresh fruits and vegetables, and rotating with other kidney-friendly teas like dandelion root or nettle leaf can create a gentle, consistent detox routine that supports kidney repair and overall urinary health. Even though parsley may seem small and simple, when used as tea, it quietly becomes one of the most effective ways to naturally support kidney health. Over time, regular consumption can help reduce bloating, improve energy, and protect kidney cells from damage, all while giving your body a gentle, natural boost in toxin elimination. This humble herb proves that sometimes the most powerful remedies are hiding in plain sight right on your kitchen counter. If you are enjoying these tips so far, do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you will not miss the rest of the series. Also, I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me where you are from and your age. And if you have ever tried any of these teas for your kidneys, I read every single comment. Number 3, Nettle Leaf Tea. Next up is Nettle Leaf Tea, and do not let the name scare you away. This plant may sting if you touch it with bare hands, but once it is brewed into tea, it transforms into one of the most kidney-friendly beverages you can drink in the morning. Nettle has been used in herbal medicine for centuries because of its strong anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties, which are especially important for supporting kidney health. Chronic inflammation is one of the main factors that slowly damages kidneys over time, and nettle helps combat that naturally. By reducing inflammation, it may help prevent long-term kidney stress and support your body's natural repair processes. But that is not all. Nettle leaves are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that your kidneys and your entire body love. They contain iron, magnesium, and vitamin C, all of which play a vital role in keeping your blood healthy, balancing fluids, and supporting the filtration work that kidneys do every single day. Nettle is also traditionally used to help flush bacteria from the urinary tract, which is another way it protects kidney function and helps prevent infections that could otherwise lead to serious complications. Regular consumption of nettle tea can gently support urinary health while helping your body get rid of excess waste more efficiently. The taste of nettle leaf tea is naturally grassy and slightly earthy, which some people find strong at first. To make it more enjoyable, You can pair it with mint, which mellows the flavor and adds a refreshing note without reducing the tea's benefits. Preparing nettle tea is straightforward. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaves in a cup of hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Letting it steep longer slightly increases the strength of its active compounds, but even a lighter brew is beneficial. Drink it in the morning on an empty stomach or at least 30 minutes before breakfast to maximize its effect on your kidneys and urinary system. For even better results, you can combine nettle leaf tea with other kidney-friendly habits. Staying well hydrated, avoiding excessive salt, and eating fresh fruits and vegetables all help your kidneys process and remove toxins more effectively. Some people rotate nettle tea with other herbal teas like dandelion root or ginger to keep their body's detox routine balanced and prevent over-reliance on a single herb. This approach allows the kidneys to stay active and supported naturally without stress. By making nettle leaf tea a regular part of your morning routine, you are not just drinking a warm beverage. You are actively giving your kidneys essential nutrients, reducing inflammation, and supporting their natural ability to flush out toxins. Over time, this simple tea can help you feel lighter, reduce bloating, and improve your overall energy while quietly repairing and protecting one of your most important organs. Number 4, Dandelion Root Tea. Dandelion Root Tea earns its place at the top of this list because it works with your kidneys, not against them. For hundreds of years, dandelion root has been used in traditional health systems around the world as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps your body increase urine output in a gentle, balanced way. This matters enormously because your kidneys rely on proper, healthy urine flow to remove excess salt, waste products, and toxins from your bloodstream. When these substances stay in your body for too long, they create pressure, fluid buildup, and chronic stress on your kidneys. By helping your body release what it does not need, dandelion root tea supports smoother kidney function and easier, more efficient detoxification. One of the biggest benefits of this tea is how it helps reduce water retention. So many people wake up feeling bloated, puffy in the face, or heavy in the legs, especially in the morning hours. This is often a clear sign that fluids are not being balanced well overnight. Dandelion root helps your body release that extra fluid without stripping away important minerals, which is why it is considered much gentler and safer than synthetic diuretics. Several nutrition and herbal health articles have noted that dandelion root supports both kidney and liver detox pathways, helping these two vital organs work together more efficiently to clear toxins from your body. Another key reason dandelion root tea is so effective is its impressive antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect delicate kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which builds up over time from poor diet, chronic dehydration, and environmental toxins. By reducing this stress, dandelion root may help support long-term kidney health instead of just offering short-term, temporary relief. Making dandelion root tea is simple, but doing it correctly is critically important. Always use dried dandelion root, not the leaves, since the root contains the strongest kidney-supporting compounds. Add 1 teaspoon of dried root to 1 cup of hot water and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. The taste is earthy and slightly bitter, which is completely normal and actually a sign of its active beneficial compounds. If the flavor is too strong for you, you can add a small amount of raw honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon. Lemon not only improves the taste, but also supports kidney function and hydration. For the best results, drink dandelion root tea in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach or about 30 minutes before breakfast. This timing helps your kidneys flush out waste that built up overnight and sets a healthier rhythm for the rest of the day. You do not need more than 1 cup daily. To enhance the effect, combine this tea with good hydration, lower salt intake, and whole foods like fresh fruits and vegetables. When used this way, dandelion root tea becomes a simple but powerfully effective morning habit for flushing toxins and supporting kidney repair naturally. Number 5, ginger tea. You probably already know ginger as the go-to remedy for nausea or a sore throat, but did you know that it can also be a true game changer for your kidneys? Ginger tea is a simple morning drink that does far more than just warm you up. It supports your kidney health in several important and scientifically backed ways. One of the biggest benefits of ginger is its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are two of the main reasons kidney cells get damaged over time. So drinking ginger tea regularly can help protect these delicate organs while supporting their natural repair processes. Ginger also helps improve circulation throughout your body, which might not sound directly related to kidneys, but healthy blood flow is absolutely essential for proper kidney function. Your kidneys filter waste from your blood continuously without ever stopping. So anything that supports healthy circulation also helps them work more efficiently. On top of that, ginger gently supports digestion and fluid balance, which indirectly eases the workload of your kidneys. It is like giving them a head start in flushing out toxins before the day even begins. Making ginger tea is simple, but doing it the right way ensures you get the maximum benefits. Use a fresh slice of ginger root about 1 to 2 centimeters long and steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can adjust the strength depending on your taste, but even a mild brew will deliver antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that support kidney health. For an extra boost, add a slice of lemon. Lemon not only enhances the flavor, but also adds vitamin C and compounds that promote natural detoxification and kidney function. The combination of ginger and lemon creates a refreshing, slightly spicy tea that wakes you up while working quietly to support your organs. For the best results, drink ginger tea in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach or at least 30 minutes before breakfast. This timing allows your kidneys to begin flushing out waste that built up overnight, reduces inflammation, and sets the tone for a day of better fluid balance and toxin removal. You do not need to drink a large amount. Just 1 cup in the morning is enough for most people to start seeing subtle but meaningful benefits over time. You can also combine ginger tea with other kidney-friendly habits for a stronger effect. Drinking enough water throughout the day, limiting salty and processed foods, and pairing it with other teas like dandelion root or nettle leaf helps your kidneys stay active and healthy without extra stress. Some people rotate teas throughout the week to provide a variety of antioxidants and supportive compounds, which keeps the detox routine balanced and more sustainable. Over time, a simple morning cup of ginger tea can help reduce swelling, improve circulation, boost energy, and protect your kidneys from long-term damage, all while keeping your morning routine easy and enjoyable. So there you have it, the top 6 morning teas that can help flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and support your kidneys every single day. From dandelion root to gently detoxify, nettle leaf to fight inflammation, parsley to reduce fluid buildup, ginger for circulation and antioxidant support, hibiscus to help manage blood pressure, and green tea for overall kidney protection. Each one brings its own unique, powerful benefits to the table. The best part is that these teas are simple, natural, and incredibly easy to include in your morning routine without any complicated steps or expensive equipment. By drinking just 1 cup in the morning and combining it with healthy habits like staying hydrated and eating fresh, whole foods, you are giving your kidneys a powerful natural boost while helping your entire body feel lighter, more energized, and healthier. Start small. Pick the teas that you enjoy the most and rotate them throughout the week. Over time, your body will thank you for this gentle, consistent, natural support.